As a mother of two and as a founder of Third School International, when I interact with parents, I've realized this one thing that, as a parent, you also want your child to be kind, but at the same time, you want your child to be street smart. You want your child to be extremely luxurious and, experience all the luxuries of life. But you want that child to be extremely down to earth. Confusing, right? And then to top it all, we have social media, we have friends, we have relatives, we have podcasts, we have books. They confuse us, they influence us, they distract us. But hey, you know what? If a child has chosen your womb to come into this world, that means he already has a purpose. The purpose will only be fulfilled by you as a mother and co-parent. So why don't we just help the child to align that purpose? And for that, it's a very simple thing. Sit with your co-parent, have the values that you want in your child to be, list them out, and then align your parenting techniques, your strategies in a way which will help you fulfill those values. Yes, there are times when the values will be taken in a complete different way in what you have perceived. For example, this happened with my son Kabir. I was talking to him about kindness, and somewhere while he was playing, he hit someone very badly, and he came up to me and he was like, he did this to me and this is what happened and that is. I was like, you should have been a little kind. Why did you hit him like that? We could have talked about it. And he was like, no, but self-defense. Should I just always, maar kha ke thodi aana hai? It was self-defense. And I was like, okay, fine. And then afterwards, we took that entire situation in a different way. But his perseverance of kindness was not what I had thought. For him, kindness is maybe helping out people. For him, kindness is helping a beggar on the street. For him, kindness is when my help comes late and he's like, क्या हुआ आज आप क्यों छुट्टी पे, आज आप क्यों लेट आए, आप छुट्टी पे हो क्या, आप एक छुट्टी ले लो अगर आपकी तबीयत खराब है तो. This is his version of kindness. With my daughter, for her, kindness is offering a glass of water to every delivery guy that comes home. So I have given kindness examples and stories to both of them, but the way they perceive this particular value is completely different. And I think they will fulfill their purpose in life through the experiences that they are going to get. As a parent, my job is to fulfill those values. And over and all said and done, you're an amazing parent. You are also going to learn in this process. So whatever you learn, make sure you research it well, then you apply it. Your child is not a guinea pig for you to experiment the parenting styles, for you to do a continuous trial and error. It's only going to confuse you and your child. So make sure that you shift from confused parenting to conscious parenting so that you raise mindful children, happy children.